Hi, my name is Roberta, and I will do the presentation of my app. So it's an Ionic application that consumes an API breaking bad, and all of these are my codes. And first of all, I will access my workspace on Gitpod. And then once I access the workspace, I have to open a new terminal. And then install, and then now I'm gonna install the npm Ionic. Um, so then now I'm gonna run the folder Breaking Bad to navigate to Breaking Bad directory. I will run the npm install to install the dependence. Once it's done, I will run the ng serve sorry, and run ng oh, just ng serve actually. And now I'll be able to access the default. I'll make it public, and that's the characters. There you go. I have the status, portrait, and some stats. Here in this folder I have the episodes with the air date, the characters, then the code for this, some of the characters, and that's a fun way to discover who is dead. You just click and you find out about a random death. You are not like expecting maybe. That's my application. Thank you very much.